battle taking place in the 2024 fitness. Start moving well. You're on the inside of lane 0 is Skipjack CrossFit. Their adversaries all the way on the outside in 3, CrossFit and Farah. Putting up a furious battle as well. It's exciting at the finish between those two.
We are going to win this race.
Phenomenal finish in the fitness cup.
We are going to win this race.
Class of the field, Skipjack and...
Say hi to the camera. Hey. Say hi to the camera. Hi. You guys ready to race? Ready to race. Ready to race. Ready to race?
Let's go, Beaches.
Dylan, say hi to the camera. Are we gonna win?
Yeah.
Are you hyped?
Yeah.
Very tight the finish between Skipjack and Panthera.
How are we feeling, guys? We're getting it.
Get the punt going.
Let's go. Woo!
Don't get wet.
I think is it yeah.
Chesapeake Beach!
Yes, it is.
Chesapeake Beach! Chesapeake Beach!
Are we ready? Park now, park now.
Best we put the camera on your head
Huh?
so we can actually see us and
Yeah.
your team. Because they're going to be behind us.
Next three.
It's our buddy.
It's our bud.
Hey, all right.
Woo!
He doesn't remember us.
He does. He just said Chesapeake Beach!
Where my dogs at?
All right, paddles up. Go. 1,
2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.
Right. All right, guys, you guys are looking great. Hold water. All right, release. If you guys would indulge me, will you try just a regular race pace at a slightly faster pace? I think you guys could handle it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just for this next run. And if you guys hate it, then you hate it. And we're only gonna do like 10 strokes.
Just 10 strokes. It's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
It's okay.
Just a slightly faster
Just
pace.
practice. Just practice.
And if you like it, you'll use it, and if you hate it, you won't. Paddles up. All right. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
Are you ready?
Paddles up. Paddles up. Paddles in. Barry.
Go! 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, What'd you think?